Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 Vlogs. The Royal Exhibition Building is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in Melbourne, known for its stunning architecture and historical significance as a venue for major exhibitions. Historical background: the Royal Exhibition Building was constructed between 1879 and 1880 to host the Melbourne International Exhibition. It was designed by architect Joseph Reed and is notable for its Byzantine, Romanesque, and Italian Renaissance architectural styles. The building is approximately 150 meters long and is surrounded by the Carlton Gardens, covering about 26 hectares. Architectural significance: the building features a dome inspired by Brunelleschi's dome in Florence, standing at 68 meters high. It is recognized as the oldest surviving Great Hall from the International Exhibition Movement, which saw over 50 exhibitions staged globally between 1851 and 1915. The Royal Exhibition Building is the world's most complete surviving site from this movement. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. UNESCO World Heritage Status. In 2004, the Royal Exhibition Building became the first building in Australia to be awarded UNESCO World Heritage Status. This recognition highlights its importance as a cultural and historical landmark, reflecting the wealth and pride of Melbourne during the late 19th century. Current use: today, the Royal Exhibition Building continues to serve as a venue for various events, including trade fairs, public expos, and cultural activities. It remains a significant part of Melbourne's cultural landscape, attracting visitors interested in its history and architecture. The Royal Exhibition Building is not only a remarkable architectural achievement, but also a vital part of Melbourne's history, symbolizing the city's role in the international exhibition movement. Its preservation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site ensures that it will continue to be a focal point for cultural events and historical education in the years to come. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Please like, share, and subscribe. The Royal Exhibition Building is a UNESCO World Heritage listed building in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia, built in 1879 to 1880 as part of the International Exhibition Movement, which presented over 50 exhibitions between 1851 and 1915 around the globe. The building sits on approximately 26 hectares, is 150 meters long, and is surrounded by 4 city streets. It is situated at 9 Nicholson Street in the Carlton Gardens, flanked by Victoria, Carlton, and Rathdown Streets, at the northeastern edge of the Central Business District. It was built to host the Melbourne International Exhibition in 1880 to 81, and then hosted the even larger Centennial International Exhibition in 1888. It was then chosen as the site for the Federation of the Commonwealth of Australia in 1901. The building is representative of the financial wealth and pride that the city of Melbourne and state of Victoria had in the 1870s. Throughout the 20th century, smaller sections and wings of the building were subject to demolition and fire. However, the main building, known as the Great Hall, survived. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. On the 1st of October 1980, it was announced that Queen Elizabeth II had conferred the title of Royal to the exhibition building. It received restoration throughout the 1990s and in 2004 became the first building in Australia to be awarded UNESCO World Heritage status, being one of the last remaining major 19th century exhibition buildings in the world. It is the world's most complete surviving site from the International Exhibition Movement 1851 to 1914. It sits adjacent to the Melbourne Museum and is the largest item in Museum Victoria's collection. Today, the building hosts various exhibitions and other events and is closely tied with events at the Melbourne Museum. Please do watch our other Melbourne Museum playlist. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.